Griffith has introduced multi-factor authentication to make sure your information stays secure. This guide shows how to install and set up MFA on your additional Windows computer. Close all open internet browsers. Open a new browser and log into MyGriffith at my.griffith.edu.au using your Griffith credentials. When the authentication screen opens, select Settings. The My Devices page will open, listing devices currently paired with your Ping ID account. To set up an additional device, select Add. Select Continue. An authentication window will display. Authenticate with your primary MFA device. The Add a New Device window will open. Select Desktop. Select Ping ID Download for Windows. Open the pingid.exe download file to launch the installer. If prompted, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Select Yes. Review the software license agreement. Select I accept the agreement, then Next. If you are prompted to support roaming user profiles, leave the option unchecked, then select Next. Copy the pairing key from the desktop Setup browser window. Paste the pairing key into the Ping ID window. Click Pair. You've now set up multi-factor authentication on your Windows device.